If your Joy-Con is acting weird, maybe it's unresponsive, laggy, or not syncing properly, it might just need a full reset. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to properly reset your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con and get it working like new again. So let's get started. First, detach the Joy-Con from your Switch by holding the small black button on the back and then sliding it upwards. Remove the other one like this one as well. On the inside edge of the Joy-Con, locate the tiny round sync button in the middle. Press on it to shut down your Joy-Con. Now hold down the sync button for about 5 seconds to power cycle the controller. Wait until you see the LED lights flash. This soft resets the controller's wireless connection. Once you have done this for both the controllers, get your Nintendo Switch at hand and press and hold its power button for 3 to 4 seconds. Select power options from the menu and choose restart. Wait for your Switch to restart. Once it does, reattach both your Joy-Cons with your Switch and test the buttons and response. And that's how you can fully reset your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons when they're acting up. If this guide helped you out, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more easy Nintendo tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.